I'm Jessie, and this is my 1989 Nissan Civilian.
What is this, Dad?
Guys, we're gonna give a lesson on flooring today. Start in the corner here and work your way up the back.
Remember the back of the bus, how I pulled the flooring out? I'm really trying to figure out what to do and how to repair it because it's bad. Like, it's so bad. This is underneath, all really fucked up. I started by tracing this piece to size, then I traced it around here, and now I'm cutting it. I've got the battery. Alright, let's see if it fits. Perfect. Fiberglass today. Which is really exciting, but I'm only going to do a practice run because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've got gloves, paintbrush, fiberglass resin, my container, fiberglass sheet. There. The instructions say, fuck it, because nothing. Right, that's all I literally want to use. It is so smelly. Put a couple of drops of this. 3, 4, 5. So one sheet, like that's one sheet. Okay, I'm just going to cut a piece. I don't have time to show you guys, so sit back and relax. So I haven't even cleaned up the area. Practicing, so when you practice, you learn to fail so you can correct it the next time. Add the resin. I'm gonna put that on top. Do I want to do another sheet? So I'm gonna put another piece. It's fucking easy. That's if it works. So this takes about 30 minutes to dry. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. It's the next day. Let's check it out. It actually turned out really good. There's a patch job that I did, and I did it really dodgy. You talk so much shit.
Do you understand? Tell me yes or no.
Can you jump inside and push it against it?
Just go, babe.
We're still yellow. I think so.
I have to make this thing shorter without taking it apart. If I take it all apart, I'm just going to loosen it up. So I don't want to do that. Here we go. That tiny adjustment has taken me all day. All I needed to do was make this the size of this. It was just taking up too much room. Drawers fit. Oh my god, this does not fit. It fits. No. Oh my god. I have to go back. This is the last trial. Please fit. Fabulous. So our biggest repair is all of these rust spots, and there's not just that one, there's one up there, and there's one which we've already cut out there, and just a few cracks along the whole entire thing. So underneath this lid, we have the bus batteries. With these floorboards, I get to make a lid. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.